We were founded as the Southwest Organizing Project in 1996, and it was a response for organizing the community and organizations. So one thing that we were listening to is the difficulty to get a government issue ID. SWAP is a member institution of the Illinois Coalition for Immigrant and Refugee Rights. So we started a campaign, and we wanted an ID that it was not only for the city of Chicago, but it was for the whole state. And we just learned that it was not that easy. But we did a lot of research. We went to cities like New York to see how they issue their municipal ID and learn about the documents they wanted, a little bit about the software, always looking into the safety of the residents. Well, I'm very proud of the work that locally we've done with the City Key. Not only we are proud, but you ask anybody in the stores you go, in the restaurants around here, the priests and the churches, they have it, and they know exactly what they can use it for. So it's really beyond having an ID. It's bringing dignity to those that having an ID didn't have it before. So we are in that business of expanding humanity everywhere we can.